Hi traders, in this tutorial I'll show you how to open an additional XM account using the XM app. Let's jump in. First, log into your app using your email and password. Look for the accounts type labeled as demo or real to the top left of the screen. Open the My Accounts panel and look for the plus icon to the bottom right of the screen. Select Demo Account. Choose your MetaTrader type, MT5 or MT4, click Continue. Choose your account type, click Continue. And customize your trading account by means of leverage, base currency, and investment amount. You could even opt to change your account name. Click Continue. Set a password for your trading account and click Complete. After that's done, you'll receive an email with all the details with regards to your new account, including instructions as to how to install and log in to your chosen trading platform. You'll now be able to use your email and account password to access your new account. To open an additional real account, you need to make sure you've completed the verification process. If you haven't done so just yet, take a couple of minutes to do so and you'll be good to go. To open an additional real account, you'll need to follow the steps which are very similar to those of opening an additional demo account. Look for the account types labeled as real or demo to the top left of the screen. Open the My Accounts panel and look for the plus icon to the bottom right of the screen. Select Real Account. Choose your MetaTrader type, MT5 or MT4, click Continue. Choose your account type, click Continue. And customize your trading account by means of leverage, base currency, and even opt to change your account name. If you have a partner code, enter it here. Select the box to accept the terms of service, click Continue. And set a password for your trading account. Click Complete. You now have an additional real account. To see all your additional account, head over to the account types labeled as real or demo to the top left of the screen. Open the My Accounts panel and have a look as to the real and demo tabs to the bottom. Here you can see all your real and demo accounts. Once you've created your new account, check your inbox for that email confirming your new account's been created. It'll include all the account details and instructions for installing and log into that trading platform you've chosen. You now know how to open additional accounts on the XM app. Feel free to check out more tutorials if you'll need more help navigating our XM app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.